I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will learn how to find x-intercepts for a polynomial. Question is, determine x-intercepts of each of the following polynomials. A is a cubic function, y equals to minus 2 times x minus 1 whole cube minus 54, and B is quartic function, y equals to minus 3 times x plus 2 to the power of 4 plus 48. Now when we say x-intercept, that means y equals to 0, right? Y equals to 0 is what is x-intercept, right? So wherever the graph crosses x-axis, that is the x-intercept, and at that point y will be 0. So we'll substitute y equals to 0 and solve for x. That's what it means. So 2 times x minus 1 whole cube minus 54. The steps are, you can add 54 both sides, so get 54 equals to minus 2 times x minus 1 whole cube. Now divide by minus 2, so we have 54 divided by minus 2 equals to x minus 1 whole cube. Now that is negative 27. Okay. Now we can do cube root, right? So we do cube root of negative 27. That is x minus 1. Cube root of negative 27 is, you can use calculators also, is minus 3, right? So this is minus 3. So we'll write this as minus 3. Now x is equal to, you can add 1. So we get minus 3 plus 1. And so we get the value of x as equal to minus 2. So here we have one x-intercept, and that is at minus 2. So that is the answer for us. The x-intercept is x equals to minus 2. So that is the x-intercept. Okay, let's do same calculations, follow the same steps to calculate x-intercept for the quartic function. Now again, as you know, x-intercept means that y equals to 0. So we'll substitute y equals to 0 for x-intercept. So that is the basic concept, right? So that's what we are going to do. And then we'll solve for x. So we get 0 equals to minus 3 times x plus 2 to the power of 4 plus 48. Bringing 48 to left, minus 48 equals to minus 3 times x plus 2 to the power of 4. Divide by minus 3, so we have minus 48 divided by minus 3 equals to x plus 2 to the power of 4. Now this is 16, right? Minus minus cancel out, so 16 equals to x plus 2 to the power of 4. Now we can take the fourth root, right? So fourth root of 16 is equals to x plus 2. Now whenever you do fourth root, you have to take both positive and negative sign into consideration, right? Because negative, when you do power, even power, it becomes positive. Now fourth root is 2, right? So we get plus and minus 2 equals to x plus 2. And from here we can solve for x. So we get x as equals to minus 2 plus and minus 2, right? So we get two values in this case. So if you calculate, then what do you get? When you do minus 2 minus 2, so we get minus 2 minus 2, which is minus 4. And if you do minus 2 plus 2, you get 0. So there are two x-intercepts in this particular case. So we say x-intercepts at x equals to 0 and x equals to minus 4, right? So that is the answer for part 2. So for a quartic function, you can get two x-intercepts as in this particular case. In fact, for a cubic function, you could get maximum of 3, and for a quartic, you can get maximum of 4, right? So that is how it is. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.